Hey kids! Welcome to Fun Farm Friends. Today, we're going to meet some amazing animals that live on a farm. 3. Chickens. Where do eggs come from? Eggs come from special birds called chickens or hens, mothers of all chickens. Chickens are like big, fluffy birds that live on farms. They have a special job, laying eggs. It's like magic. The chicken makes an egg inside its body, and then it comes out. It's like a surprise. How does chicks hatch? Sometimes, there's a tiny baby bird inside the egg called a chick. The chick grows and grows inside the egg, getting bigger and bigger. It's like sleeping in a cozy bed. After a while, the chick is ready to come out. It makes a special pecking sound to break the egg. It's like popping out of a surprise box. And then, ta-da! A little, fluffy chick is born. Isn't that amazing? Would you like to see a picture of a chick? Wait for next part and please don't forget to like and subscribe.